Hey guys, welcome back to our channel in Sodia. Today in this video, I will tell you the best way to get 1000 views on your answers in Quora in just one day. And I will promise you that I'll do live example and I'll show you live proof of this so that you can also get 1000 views on your answers. And I'll tell you that from Quora you can earn passive income. Passive means if you are sleeping, then also you can generate income. So before that, it's a humble request, if you are new here and seeing my video for the first time, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that in future you don't miss any of our videos regarding these topics, that is money making, online and affiliate marketing, Fiverr, etc. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this. What we will do in this video, first of all, we will make people a follower. So to do that, you have to answer some particular questions which I will tell you later in this video. Once we have generated enough followers, then automatically our answer will get more views, any answer. And it's same like YouTube and other social media platform, where in YouTube, once you reach to some particular subscriber, that is 1000, 2000, 1 million, 10 million, then automatically your any videos get rank on first page according to your subscribers. And same applies for other social media platforms. And Quora is also same like these social media platforms. Once you get more followers, more will be the people seeing your answer. So let's see how you can do these things. This is the live dashboard of my Quora account. Here you can see in last 30 days 3000 something views have been generated and 6 upvotes and 1 share. You can see that this in 7th November, that is yesterday, I have made over 1551 views, and I will tell you how you can do that. Let me show you all-time views, and here you can see 4.23k views. And as I told you that on 7th November I got 1551 views. So the question arises, how you can get these kind of views. So to do that, go to your home page, just click on home. Once you are at your home page, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to answer these kind of questions, that is questions for you. You never answer these kinds of questions. You just go to the questions where this is written, recommended for you. You have to answer these questions only, like, what's the best mistake you ever made? Search similar questions in which recommended for you is written and just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see many people have answered this question. You also have to answer this. Just click on this answer button and you will see this kind of something box, and you have to write your answer here. Let's say before writing this answer, please make sure you writing relevant answer. More the relevant, more will be the chances your answer will get higher views. And of course you can cross 1000, 2000 views. Like me, I just crossed 1500 views yesterday. So you have to write a similar or relevant answer to the particular question. Let me write this. I have skipped the part. You can read the answer, and as just go to Pixabay to add royalty free images. Just go to pixabay.com, and here related to your answer, download the images. Like I have WhatsApp related, I want a WhatsApp related chat, so just search WhatsApp chat and you can see these images. You can choose any one from these. This is not right, let me choose this one, and yes, just click on free download and download it. Now go back to your answer and just upload the image, and as you can see my answer. And before that, please make sure your English is correct. Just install Grammarly free extension tool that can help you to check your grammatical mistakes. After correcting your grammatical mistake, just scroll down, and here you can see submit option. Click on that and wait for a second or 2 seconds, and here it is, your answer has been submitted. Similarly, you just try to answer these kinds of questions in regular basis. Just go to your home page. Sorry, my internet is weak today, and here you can see many questions in which recommended for you is written. You have to answer these questions. Remember, you have to answer these questions only. This one, recommended for you, just answer this question, and similarly you have your own recommended for you questions and you have to answer that. And remember, you have to answer 2 or 3 questions daily minimum, so that you can reach up to 1000, 2000 and even 20,000 views on your answers. And guys, trust me, Quora can generate you passive income. You just have to consistent in this platform. Now see how many views we get on our answer. This 13 minutes ago we have uploaded this, and here you can see we got 33 views. Similarly, you can upload, or you can answer as many as questions you want, and believe me, you can generate tons of free traffic from this Quora platform. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.